Okay, I think we are live. Yeah. Oh, wait a minute. So I need to mute this as well. Okay, everything is good to go now. And we can put this on the downside. So here we have the first chart for, let me pull up the US30, and then we have the gold chart. Guys, by the way, I'm not alone. I have two of my crime partners. One of them is Mr. Ali. Mr. Ali, you can unmute your mic and you can join. And the other one is Mr. Asif. So yeah,
Hi,
so
hi
this is what we
everyone.
have. Okay, so we are going to not trade on FOMC, but I'm trying to catch some sort of moves if it is possible. Yeah, let me pull up the NASDAQ as well. So Mr. Ali is my mentor who brought me to this field, and he's a kind of underdog millionaire trader, and he's not available for anyone. Somehow I request to my bhabhi, and he is there now. Okay,
Let's see gold first.
okay, gold. Okay, my perspective for gold is the thing is the FOMC. The rate is not going to change. I'm not expecting the rate is going to change for now. I'm expecting the same rates, but the next FOMC, which is going to be happen around, I think, in September, I think the rate is going to change. So for now, the trend is bullish, and I'm expecting the gold is gonna hit this level minimum, like the 2450. But I can sense the spike in the downside. Let me pull
So
the, yeah, I can sense, well, I'm not sure like what you are thinking.
just keep the chart over here. Let's see.
Yeah.
So this is something I'm looking at, maybe a retracement, and then we can continue going up, something like this. Because the trend is bullish, so FOMC won't do anything. I don't think it should break this level and go continue down.
Yeah, I'm expecting the same. Like, but once the Powell starts speaking, like he may bring gold down to towards, even I'm expecting like gold may hit, easily can hit like 2400 as well, but that is too much kind of retracement. Yeah, this one is a too much kind of retracement I am expecting. But then after all, and the end result, what I'm expecting, like it should go bullish. It should break this wick, like yeah, this rejection wick. It should break this, and once it break this 2432, it will straight go up. Wait, I'm not sure where to pull. Uh, the favorite. Okay, here's the thing. Okay, here's the. And for the US30, yeah, I'm pretty much bullish. The thing is, what is going to be happen? Like what I'm expecting. So in the normal, from the last, I would say 3 to 5 FOMC, what I experienced, the US economy is behaving really bad. Like the numbers are really bad. So what is going to be happen? Like maybe initially we may see retracement. I'm expecting the solid retracement in the downside at the first attempt. Like price can easily come back down to test this level, 540, 40,500 easily, and then all the way up and easily can retest this. And then what happened? And then what happened? Like once the market done everything, it will reversal. Reversal has been start at the same time. Like before market close, the price will gonna close around 41,000 in the same price. This happened. I follow the price like from the last 4 or 5 FOMC, and every time same thing happened. Like if I recall when happened the last time FOMC, like here you see 12th June. Like if I go down to the 12th June, like the last month, uh, 12th June and the 1 May. Okay, let's go. So we are at around 1 May. Okay, this is the 1 May. And this is the same 14 Haja. Yeah, this is the same candle. Yeah. And FOMC. So what happened? Yeah, here you see price go all the way up, you see. And like I remember I had a discussion with Asif at that moment. Like I told him like you need to sell at this level. Like price go all the way up and then all the way down. And the next day, what happened? Price again go all the way. So I'm expecting the same sort of movement. Like the price will go up. First price will retrace down. Like here you see price retrace down almost 858. Like this is 100 pips down and then all the way up, then got a rejection. And the same candle retraced down. And then again, the next candle, all the next day, all the way up. So I'm expecting the same sort of movement here today in the US30. Gold is easy to trade, but US30, sometime. So maybe we may not see such kind of retracement. Maybe the retracement is like this, but I'm expecting the bullish movement and then the full reversal. So I'm gonna catch the bullish move first, and I'm gonna sell here according to my previous experience. Like price will come here and then all the way down. And for gold, yeah, I'm looking for the bullish. But if price, let's say, directly go up, then I am gonna buy above 24.32, and then I will hold the trade around till 24.50. Yeah, this would be my trade. But in the other way around, let's say if price come down all the way, then my first chance to look for buy around this area. And I'm not expecting like price will go all the way down. This is not gonna I'm expecting. I'm expecting the maximum retracement should be like this. But it is gold, like it can do shit, so it may come down here as well. But let's suppose gold come down at this area, 24, 15, 16, 100 pips down, and then I'm gonna take some bullish and then all the way. But this all moves is gonna be happen around once the Mr. Powell starts speaking. Yeah, right
Can you
after
go
30
on
minutes.
H1? One H.
H1, yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah,
so
same thing.
yeah,
So
that,
this is a critical level, like, it is not gonna be so buy at current price, it can be like, yeah,
buying
risky.
right now is very risky. I think good buys
Yeah,
are from here from
yeah,
24.
here.
And if this
So
breaks,
yeah,
then we have this area.
yeah,
These are the
exactly.
three levels. I don't think it's
So
going to go bearish. I
yeah,
have,
it is bullish. I'm also bullish. Like I'm expecting like this one, and I can risk like this sort of like 24, 17, 15 price should come down here. I'm gonna risk like 30 pips and expecting like price go up. This is I'm gonna do here. And yeah, if it works, it works. If not, if not. Yeah. But I'm not
can you
expecting
zoom out a little bit, like squeeze a chart?
zoom out. Okay.
Yeah, zoom out, zoom out. Can you bring the lower candles above? Yes, yes. So I think uh, traders who had bought from areas of this area and this area, they are good now because I am in bias from this area, the lower support. So I don't care if market comes. If it comes here, we buy again. If it comes here, we buy again.
Yeah. It is some sort of retracement. I am not expecting like all the way down. So it is luck and the perfect timing, like where you get in. The more dip you get in the buy, it would be good for you, everyone. Yeah. Okay, so
Best trade of the
yeah,
news is no trade, guys.
yeah, no trade. Okay, Mr. Ali, open your camera. Mr. Ali अपना कैमरा नहीं ओपन कर सकते. Okay, the next question is, I'm new and want to learn what your advice to me where I can learn and improve my self resources. Yeah, I would say if you want to learn the basic things, I would recommend you to study the baby pips. And yeah, once you learn the basic, and till then, I have number of videos in my YouTube, and you can start learning from there as well. But yeah, there is also number of good traders in the market. Let's say uh, ICT is a good trader. One of them is JadeCap. Raja Banks is a good trader. You can learn from there as well. And yeah, Mr. Ali, the question for you is why you are. Uh, please open your camera. And I said he is unable to do that, and they are saying why. So if you have an answer for why, you can, yeah, tell them.
No, I don't want to show my face. Simple.
Yeah. Okay. So guys, here's the thing. And let me see my Discord as well, like what people are saying. Okay, let me go to my Discord. Okay, guys. We have 44 second. Capital Hungry. Uh, yeah, he's good.
Jeevan is really good.
Yeah, Jeevan is
Fundamentally,
really
he's
good.
very nice.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, so we have 15 seconds remaining, and this is the area I'm gonna buy. Like, yeah, let's see what's happened.
Yeah, but there's a high chance if we buy at this area, we can be wicked out with the stops.
Okay, it's coming now. Normally on FOMC rates, there is hardly any movement. The main movement come around once Powell starts speaking and the press conference start.
A lot of people would be selling right now.
Yeah,
A
there is
lot of
no sell.
people.
Like, yeah, there is no sell. Like, yeah, people would be selling, but there is no sell.
Yes.
Yeah, calm down, calm down. Yeah. Okay, so what's your risk to reward? So risk to reward is like I have made around 2,500 US dollar today, so I am risking uh I would say this is just with one lot, this is just $300. So this is not like I'm risking you can say 1% of my profit today. Yeah. And yeah, let's see. 24.16 and the SL is 24.12. Like 400 I'm going to risk buy limit. 24.16 and my SL would be around 24.12. Yes. I'm risking, sorry, 800 US dollar I'm going to risk. But let's see what is gonna be happen. Okay, let's move to the US30. Yeah, US30, there is maybe the retracement would be more down and whatever, but I would say I'm 100% sure like price can easily retest this high today. And this is not a big deal for US30 to move like 400 pips. Like this is not a small move. Like this is almost 400 pips. So I'm 100% sure like this move is gonna happen today in next 35 to 40 minutes. And for the gold, yeah, I'm waiting for the break of this level or price come down to test this level 24.16. Yeah. How you take entry and stop loss. Okay, I already share my entry. How do you trade news? I do not trade news normally. Like even this if I'm trading news, like I would open the trade right before the news and catch some sort of move. So no, I'm not doing this because no matter how much good trader you are, the thing is, you cannot predict what is going to happen when the news is came out. Like last time I traded news in the CPI, not this one, one before this, and I was in the sell side and my SL was around uh, 40 pips. And what happened, like the news came out as a bullish. I was in a sell before the news, and then my SL got slipped around uh, more than 100 pips. Like actually, I need to lose maybe if my SL got hit, like I may lose like 800 or yeah, but my SL gets slipped more than 200 pips. Yeah, and then I lost almost 8 to 9,000 US dollar. I shared this with you, Ali, if you remember. Like that was a
Yes.
bad day for me. So
Uh,
do not trade news. And I'm also not a big fan of risk to reward. Like I see why I'm not a fan of risk to reward because if you are a good trader, what I believe, so uh, why you are risking percentage and things like that. Like you need to risk big and you need to gain big. That's it. Why you are going slow and steady, like risking 1% and like I normally risk 2 to 3% normal. That's not a big thing. And and I'm not trading on my own capital. That's also the truth. Like I'm mostly trade with the funded accounts, like the prop firms. So I already make good money with them. So yeah, it's not a hard and fast rule to not to risk more than 1%. You can risk more than 1%, but if you are confident, like if you're risking such sort of money and you are making the same sort of money as well. How do you calculate your SL? Like I'm trading from the last 7 years, and I'm trading only gold and US30. Uh, Not from the 7 years I'm trading gold. I start traded with trading with the JPP, JPY, and after 2 years of trading forex, then I moved to gold, and US30 I'm trading from the last 2 years, and now do not need to do any kind of math. Like I know when I'm using one lot, so $1 move is $10. So this is all I memorize. Yeah, there's nothing to calculate anything. Yeah, it's all about experience.
Kareem Jan asked something, so let me respond to that so you don't distribute your RF project. Yes, so basically, we don't usually distribute our risk to reward ratios per trade because simply it's a general rule of thumb that we have a higher profit target and a lower stop loss. So automatically that comes down to the risk to reward, but it's not necessarily fixed to one status that is 1:2, 1:3. So I hope that answers your question.
Are you a full-time trader? No, I'm not a full-time trader. Uh, like maybe you missed to read. Like I'm I'm a fintech specialist. Like I work in number of prop firms as a tech lead operation, uh, in which I have offered my services to TFT, Rocket 21, SFT, and top tier. There's a number of prop firms, and also from the prop firm side, I work with the broker part as well with 8 cap, Purple Trading, and now I am working with Think Markets, and their project is Think Capital, is a new prop firm. So I'm just helping uh, to build the tech. Yeah, and yes. So uh, yeah, and along with this, I'm a trader as well. So I'm good in that shape. So I would say. So yeah, uh, we have still time left. Almost how many time left? Okay, the next one. I see your videos.
There was no move. I don't know why. I think maybe
It is normal. Like from the last 3, 4 FOMC, there's hardly any move when the rates come out because it was already decided. Like there would be no change
yeah.
on rates. Yeah, as it was open secret, like they are going to change the rates in September. They are going to cut the rates basically. So if they are going to cut the rate, it means the gold is bullish, US30 is bullish, everything is bullish. And they are going to do that. Why? I'm not sure whether it creates some sort of problem for the next government or not. I'm not sure how it works in terms of the next government. You can answer better. But I think they are going to create some sort of problem for the Trump if he is going to make the government.
No, they're just going
And
to face save their mishaps by lowering the interest rate because during their tenure they increased the interest rates quite high, so everyone was in trouble. So they're just going to save their asses now.
yeah, and I'm expecting like the Trump should come up come up as a prime minister, president, and then yeah,
Kamala
from the
is
law.
gaining traction, a lot of traction. I don't know why, but she is. I hope they don't let her win.
No, I don't think so. She's gonna win Because Trump is a lot more popular there, and also a lot of, like, in my perspective, like if I, as a financial trader, I would love to see Trump as a winner, because with Trump there's a lot of volatility in the market, and there's a lot of volume in the market. And with this volume, like I remember last time we both had to work together and trading those times in the COVID, like the Trump just tweeted China, and then all the way everything is just bullish. So I'm expecting the same kind of volume here.
Trump,
One Trump life.
good times with Trump. But I think
Yeah.
overall the liquidity has been quite high during the last like 2, 3 years. So that's good for traders. After COVID, I think overall the liquidity got pretty high, even in gold.
Yeah, exactly. Like if you compare before COVID, like I started trading gold in 2020. So there was hardly gold move like in a day, like 80 to 100 pips. Like now
Oh,
gold
that was
easily move in
50
a day
to
300.
80 pips. So very,
Yeah,
very
50 to 80. Yeah. And you remember, like at that moment, Forex pairs are uh, hardly move like 30 to 40 pips in a day. Like Euro USD, even the most volume pair is like JPP JPY. There was like 50 to 60 pips in a day. But now even GJ move a lot. Like I see the other day, like it go up all the way 208, and then drop in the same day like 500 pips. Like I see like there's a lot of volume.
Oh, damn, I just saw GJ and it's at 193. And
Yeah.
I was eyeing my shorts at 206 and it went all the way to 208 because it had to drop. Japanese intervened and they had to bring down the pound and strengthen the
Yeah.
yen.
Yeah, here's the thing, like 208, like the same candle come down all the way to 203. Like this is a 500 pips move
With
in the
gold,
one day.
gold 4H?
H daily, this is daily time frame. So you see all the way down. Like this is 208, 204. Like this is a 800 pip move almost. And then like within a 2 weeks, it drop all the way down to like 192.
Oh man, wait. This entry was something not to be missed. Beautiful.
Yeah. Yeah. So let me give you guys a tip, like how you need to trade. The simple strategy you need to trade all the time. Like let's say the trend is bullish and you just need to catch the reversal. Like let me tell you. So remove everything here. You just need to wait like the volume candle. What is mean by volume candle? Volume candle mean is like the candle which covers the all the previous candle. You can say what we can say them like the engulfing candle. Yeah, yeah, you
Engulfing,
can say
yes.
the engulfing. Yeah, let's say the trend is bullish in this way. You see this, the trend is bullish all the way, and there was all the way bullish, and you suddenly see the candle which create the bullish engulfing candle and covers last two, three, four candles, and this is your confirmation. And then what you have to do is, and then you need to wait the next few candles come up again. There's two possibility after that, like the price will straight drop. The second thing is the price will come up to retest 50% of this, the body of this candle. The third thing is the price will come up and retest this resistance. Maybe it not retest the wick, but you need to see the next candle should come up slow and steady, like the one, two, three, four candles come up and retest the body, whether it would be 50% or whatever. And this candle should be your confirmation candle, and then you need to wait like the price come up, whether it would be 50. You can get in, like you can get in as a first entry right here for 50%. If price come up again, you can add further more position here, and your SL should be above the wick, and you can cash this move. But let's suppose you this sort of candle has been made, and the next candle straight come up and retest this body. This is not the candle you are going to trade, because we need to wait. Sometime what happen, one candle create as a bearish candle and next candle create as a bullish candle directly to go up and close above. So you need to wait for the price to come up slow and steady to this level to retest whether 50% or top of the wick. and then you get in. Let's suppose go to the gold. Here you see. Let me show you the sample where I get in. Okay. So here's the example. Let me remove all the charts here. Remove. So you see the price is all the way bullish. And then suddenly we see the candle of, I see this sort of candle, like bearish engulfing candle. And then I need to wait for the one or two candles, slow and steady. The volume gets lower and slow and steady price come up to retest it. So there's a two chance. Price may come up to retest 50% of the candle. The second thing is price come up and retest the top of the resistance. So this is the perfect example, like price come up and then retest and all the way drop. And the same thing happen when price need to go bullish. Like you see here, like this candle, like you see this candle close as a bullish engulfing candle, next candle down, slow and steady, like one, two, three, four candles come up, come down, and then they retest like this. And then you need to buy, you need to first, because we never know like where, from which level price, how much price go down as a retracement and then go up. So the first you need to do is just get in when price come down as a 50%. And but you need to lower your risk, and then if price further come down, then you need to get in again, and this would be your SL should be below the candle wick and then all the way up. So for gold, this normally works. Like whenever you see such sort of candle, uh, it there's a 90% of probability the next candle will follow the trend. But also, if you align this sort of candles with the support and resistance, this would be the mm, good trade for you. So let me put one more thing. One more thing for the support and resistance. If you guys, okay, so my trade is, let me put my trade level here where I am trading. Okay, guys, this is my trade level, like 2416. Yeah. And my SL is 2412. And I'm expecting like the price should, first target would be 2432 and then all the way up. And also gold and US30 have a habit, like they both of the pairs do not test the traditional support and resistance. They always go and retest the wicks and create the liquidity. So this is something you need to, if you are trading gold, so this is something you need to keep in mind.
So here's a tip for all the people who follow MDR. Wait, let me give them a tip. This is the area everyone will buy, right? This is the area where the order blocks and swing points are. This is the area where the SLs are. So which area would one buy? The best answer is this area. But we are not sure if market might reach this area. So best option, second best option is this area. This area will get hunted pretty badly because this is a conventional area, like it's a resistance turn support. So the market makers always hunt such conventional levels.
Like I think I need to change my plan here as well. You know why? Here you see, this is the area like
Hmm.
I want like the price, like I'm expecting what is gonna be happen. Like let's say the candle will be made like this. Okay. I'm expecting that this sort of candle. And maybe they make a wick like this.
Yes, yes, quite possible. That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah. So why would I? So I would. So I'm changing my plan. Let me update my trade. That is the good thing you brought up. Like, So I'm gonna
But
buy around.
but one more thing you need to keep in your plan is that this area can also trigger buys without even wicking down there. Maybe we see a wick over here and the market goes boom.
Yeah, it might be possible, but I would say the it depends upon like how the Powell is gonna speak. Like if he start talking about the inflation that is going bad and talk about unemployment, obviously they are gonna talk about this.
Yeah.
So I am expecting like how many pips? Like 22, 24. It can easily retrace down. So I'm going to change my plan. So I'm gonna buy here at this level, 24.08 or 9 in between here. And my SL would be like, yeah, this is a point, like 24, and I'm gonna, yeah. So it is kind of 50 pips SL, and let's see how it's gonna work. Yeah, I'm expecting like such sort of candle, make a wick, and once it's gonna make a wick, and then I'm gonna enter.
Yeah,
Because
this is
this is the swing point, like and this swing point is not yet tested. Like
yep.
what is me? Let me explain you guys what is swing points. Any point from where the market moves a lot in either direction, whether it will be bullish or bearish. This is we call the swing points. Like you see this point, 24.31. You see price come here and then all the way drop. So any such points in all the pairs, we call them swing points. So you need to keep those points in check. And whenever the price come again to those swing points, it create the new high or low, and then all the way rejection. So this is sort of the swing points in the lower time frame H1. So I'm expecting like price easily come down because this is the everyone is going to buy here. So yeah, I'm expecting like price will come down and just tap this level and then got a rejection. And I'm just reduce my SL to 30 pips, 24.05. Yeah, and let's see what is gonna happen. But if I miss, I miss. Like, and the next buy level for me is in the upside. Once price break this level, and I will get enter as an impulse entry 24.33. Yeah. And I'm expecting like once price break this level, it gonna easily the safest target would be like 24.45. But if you see the H4, here is the H4. Let me, yeah. If you see H4, this one, I'm expecting like price can easily go and test 24.50. Because gold, let me tell you one thing, gold has a habit to test the wicks. This is the normal standard of gold. Because everyone is buying on the candle close support and resistance. So that is something you guys need to change uh, and follow the wicks of gold. You see this here, Mr. Ali? Like
Yeah.
this is the perfect support sort of swing point for H4. So it price can easily tap this level. Yeah. But their wick is so long. Like, but let's see.
No,
I will increase.
personally, I don't think we might come here. But let's see. I think this is a good area to get on the buys.
Yeah, but if it does not come down, then I'm gonna buy above 24.32. But I'm more interested to the US30. Yeah, yeah. This is gonna be best trade, like straight up. You guys will see the magic in what happened in US30. Let me take to H1. Let me make some sort of yeah. Okay, if Powell holds rate, uh, I'm unable to pronounce your name, but I can confirm you the rates are still the same. the rate announced 25 minutes ago, and they are still the same. And the gold, yeah, even and the rates are expected to be lower down. So if the rates are expected to be lower down, that is going to be happening in the September, hopefully. And if rate are cutting down, then there's a chance gold is going up. Why it is going up? Because understand in that way, like if interest rate are increasing, it means uh, people getting more interest rate by investing in the US dollar. So they get more money. So in that way, the US dollar will go bullish. And if US dollar go bullish, it means the gold will go bearish. But if the rates are cutting down, it means uh, people will not going to invest on US dollar and the gold is going bullish. Okay, so can you make the video about how to read economics data news? Yeah, that is tough for me. I will request to Ali to make a video about economic data because he's ACCA qualified and he know more about the economics rather than me. Sir, which program is best? I would say FTMO is good program, number one. Number two is Think Capital. Number three is um Alpha Capital Group, I would say. And 5% is also good. Why US30 will come down and then go up? Because this is the normal behavior of US30. If US30 need to go bullish, first he come down, grab the liquidity and go up. Sir, an advice to the 18 years old. Yes, uh, you need to start learning about Forex, and but it does not mean uh, you are not allowed to complete you need to complete your education as well first. That is the mandatory thing. The problem with a lot of people in Pakistan, let me tell you in Urdu, like you better understand in that way. पाकिस्तान में एक मसला चल रहा है। वो मसला ये चल रहा है कि हर बंदा ये समझता है कि उसे स्किल सिखाई जाए और एजुकेशन की कोई वैल्यू नहीं है। पूरी दुनिया का एजुकेशन सिस्टम, आई एग्री, लाइक दे मेक एजुकेशन सिस्टम इन अ वे दे, मतलब जिसमें रिस्क आपको लेना नहीं सिखाया जाता और आप एक पढ़े लिखे अच्छे एम्प्लॉय बनते हो। लेकिन फिर भी एजुकेशन जरूरी है। चाहे सिस्टम आपका कितना भी खराब है, लेकिन फिर भी एजुकेशन जरूरी है। उसकी रीजन ये है कि आप एक बंदा उठा लें जिसके पास एजुकेशन नहीं है और वो एक खानदानी बिजनेसमैन है, या उसको पैसे दे दें आप और वो बिजनेस करना स्टार्ट कर दें, और एक पढ़े लिखे बंदे को आप बिजनेस करने के लिए दे दें। ठीक है। सो हु इज गोना सक्सेसफुल फर्स्ट? आई वुड से जो बंदा पढ़ा लिखा है, द पर्सन हु हैव द एजुकेशन, दे कैन make the business successful more quickly than the person who do not have the education. So education is must. Do not fall in trap like this degrees are just piece of paper and shits like this. This is no, this is all crap. You need to get education first, and along with this you have to learn whatever the skill you want, but education is first. And how you confirm resistance is broken? Okay, resistance, once resistance is broken, like here you see this is a resistance, and you see the candle close above the level, and so it means it is broken. Simple. So the candle of the body should close above the resistance. So you see such sort of thing, it means the resistance has been broken. Forex trading for the past 1 year still unprofitable. My first 2 years of trading is totally unprofitable. My first 2 years of trading. I start making money from 2021. Uh, I would say 2021 would be the break-even year, but 2022, 2023, and 2024 would be the best year of my trading. Sir, how do you identify? Do you guys consider? We do not consider any sort of indicators. Like we do not believe on indicators. It is just pure price action. Like you see, there is a clean charts. There is no, yeah, there's nothing. Only horizontal lines, wicks. Yeah, this is something. And let me go to the press conference. and he's about to start, and I'm going to listen what he's going to speak. Yes. Guys, you need to, if you are trading during news, so you guys need to uh, l- listen about the fundamentals from the Powell because it directly impact on the currencies and gold US30 especially. And do not get into just blindly. So here is the
Here's the man who makes the markets.
yeah,
Oh,
good afternoon. Maybe I do not I'm not making it live. Why? Because may I get the strike from the YouTube?
copyright issue.
Yeah, copyright issue. So I just play in the background noise.
So, okay, I just read a comment, a guy saying he's been unprofitable since one year. When did he start trading?
Okay, what he's saying.
How do you identify strength and weakness of the trend? So, identifying the strength and weakness of the trend depends on how the price action is moving along the trend. Once the price action starts to taper and starts to fall below the volume pressure, then that means that the volume for the trend is dying. So you have to understand that.
When did you start trading? I start trading at during the COVID area. Yeah, 2019, I think so. Yeah, 2018. Uh, in 2018, yeah, and then I met with Mr. Ali in 2019, and then from now to onward, it is almost 6 years, 5 years. Yeah, 6 years. I'm unable to play because it the Powell speech because it may be the copyright issue. But let me listen what he's saying.
Gold can tap 32 easily today. What is he saying? I'm not streamed on.
He's saying like inflation is good, but it is not achieved what we want, like 2%, their goal. In my opinion, rate cuts are not going to happen in September, but it is going to happen in September. Don't worry. Any resource recommendation for understanding price action in depth? I would say the good price action trader is Raja Banks. You can learn from him. Yeah, their YouTube is full of price action, and he normally does the live sessions as well. GDP data was very solid, which means economy is already expanding. Any Feds have yet to achieve. I'm not I'm not sure. Like from the past 2, 3 months, the US economy is behaving very bad. What's your thought, Mr. Ali, on that? Like,
US economy is in a crisis right now, so they need to get out of the inflation crisis first of all, which is very important because the prices have skyrocketed. Because I was in US, since like last month, I realized the prices have skyrocketed. A lot of things have gone really expensive, so they have to cut the rates down.
yeah,
Mortgage rates are really high, loans are really high, so everything is high at the moment. So Biden's government did this. So in order to curtail their mishaps, they have to bring down the rates, which would be possible in September before Trump comes in, so that they can give a solid exit to Trump and then banter and throw every blame on Trump later on. So this is like politics 101.
photon trading on YouTube can be followed for SMC concept and price action. I'm not aware of photon trading and SMC, but everyone who is doing price action trading, I would recommend uh, that would be good.
What is photon trading?
Not sure. Maybe some channel on the YouTube.
Okay.
Okay, so this is something happening, and you see US30 is coming down. Job market is very solid, which shows people still have money to buy more. They may cut the rate at year end, but NFP will determine. Job market is very solid. Uh,
This NFP will determine this fact.
like yeah, NFP. Yeah, let's see. But the gold is bullish. Like you see the gold from the last 3 months, the gold is solid bullish. So what does it mean? It means like the US economy is not behaving well. Channel name just like ICT. ICT is very good. Like I can confirm. I work over more than 10 to 12 platforms. I go through with over 1.5 million traders data. I can confirm like the ICT, the most successful traders I see in the top industry, those are ICT. There are tons of traders there, but not all of one who's using ICT are successful. But ICT is very successful. Like I see number of traders like who make money just because ICT. Uh, it may be you see the very fancy name, but basically ICT is a price action trading. Uh, yeah, and I can confirm like this is a good. But if you understand, but there is a lot of fancy terms like the FVG and yeah, a lot of things there. So if you understand all that shit, so I would say good to go. But ICT is a very good. Yeah, has really good. His concept made me pass Optimo. Yeah, I can. Yeah, as I said, like ICT is good, no doubt about it. Okay, so it is coming. So guys, if it breaks this 2432, like the wick above, then I'm gonna look for buy. But other than that, like now, let's see. I'm listening. Here's the tweets. Let me grab the news. Okay, what he's saying. Okay, Powell 2Q inflation reading have added overconfidence. Okay, Powell economy moving closer to the point where it to cut rates. Yeah, you see this? Like
Mm.
they are planning to cut rates, and they are going to cut rates before the Biden government is over. Could be on table. Yeah, you see, rate cut could be on table in September. So what does it mean? It means everything is going bullish because he give the indication. Like I'm expecting like anytime soon, gold is going to break 2432, and then we may see 2450. Yeah, but let's see what is gonna happen further.
In the longer term, I see gold moving to 2565,
Yeah, it would be.
which is a solid Fibonacci area as well on the high time frames. Like it's a calculation. So I see it going to 2565. Yeah, that's my long target.
But the issue is now that everyone is following ICT concept, market makers are aware now, his setup win rates are dropping sadly. I don't believe on those things. Like market, this market is not moved by market makers. This market is running through algorithms. And this is something uh, not invented by ICT. Like this market is running by algorithm. This is common sense. Like, do you see let's make it logically. Like, do you believe in that? Like, the banks are the main the candidate in the market is the banks, the big institutions. So they are hiring peoples and who make the trades on their behalf. I don't think so. They designed algorithms, and algorithms are going to take the trades and everything. And yeah,
Uh,
so
let
I don't.
let me clarify and add to what Danish is saying to this guy who just commented. The thing is, all my friends who are multimillionaires and billionaires in this industry and trading crypto and forex, they are pretty much ghosts in the industry, right? So whenever I talk to them, usually they are running their trades based on algos. They have setups of like they have whole floors of algos. So coming to banks, central banks, and everything is run by algorithms. Like BlackRock has Aladdin. Aladdin is was Danish. You know Aladdin?
Aladdin or Aladdin, yeah. Aladdin is
No, no.
the BlackRock, yeah, BlackRock,
BlackRock's
yeah,
AI model, which they established in
AI model.
2012. So they are still
Yeah.
running, and it's such a high level model that I think they are yielding average 30 to 35% per annum. So, like ICT, even if he's so famous and he's on YouTube, no one gives a fuck. Like, no one will, market makers won't even care what he's doing because he is so little fish in the whole ocean that no one would either look at him or care for him. So that's not the issue. All the big traders, they are not on YouTube. They are not on social media. So that's something to think about.
Yeah.
And
So
we have gold.
guys, yeah, and the gold is going up, and I'm just anticipating like gold is going to break this, and I'm gonna get in. But let me tell you one thing, I have just buy the US30 and expecting like it should continue. But let's see. I'm not risking too much.
Where did you buy the US30?
Yeah, just it breaks the high. So now I'm just waiting for the gold. My main trade is gold, like gold break above, and then I will get in. Like, and yeah, this is my trade.
Yeah, so funny thing is all the newbies are entering on cells at this resistance. They will see our divergence formed and their SLs would be hit over here. So
Yeah,
there you go. You have the bullish trade with the liquidity
yeah,
of sellers.
yeah. So once just go up, and then I will get in.
I
Let's
think
go up,
we
man.
should wait for the retest of the broken resistance if you want to go further. If you want 10, 20, 30 pips, then it's fine with the impulse.
I'm not like the way it behaves. Like I'm not expecting like it will close here and the next candle come down. It is possible, but most of the time, gold once break, it directly go up without retest. So I just want to catch such sort of move. And once it break like 24.32, 24.33, go up, and it will definitely go up further.
Go to
Yeah, yeah.
F15,
H4,
M15, M15.
M15. So guys,
Yeah, could have taken the trade. Well, let's see.
let him break above 24. 33. Yeah, I would say 33 would be the good level. And I will, yeah. Now is a point like I'm thinking of getting in. Yeah, I'm in. I took a buy in gold. Yeah. Let's see what's gonna happen. I would risk like 1,000 US dollar. Let's see. Whatever I make today, I'm gonna risk 15%. So yeah, it should directly go up. It should not come down all the way down. It should go up.
When does the press conference end?
Let me see what they are talking about. Conference is still going on. So what he's saying, 2Q inflation readings have added overconfidence. Fed, there is a board sense that we are getting closer, but not quite at the moment yet. And we don't think of the labor market as it is currently as a likely source of inflation pressure. That's why I don't want to see excessive cooling in the labor market. This is financial juice. Yeah, I'm expecting like it will go bullish. There is no hard and fast rule. Like it is just retracing down, maybe here, 23, 24, 28, and then suddenly a bullish way. It's just a matter of time once it break above. Once it like here's the thing, like if this candle go bullish and break the high of the previous candle, so then there is no way to stop the gold and it will directly go up. Let's see here. Yeah. And what is next for US30? Okay, US30 is going up. I'm expecting like US30 should retest, yeah, this candle here. And the minimum, let me move to H4. My favorite pair nowadays is US30. Like it gives you, yeah, this is a candle. Like minimum, the target is 41,345, and the maximum target is 41,413. Yeah, it would be very much on the card for US30.
US30 is clean bullish.
Yeah, clean bullish, no doubt about this. Come on, gold.
Yeah, on gold, I'm thinking like I would have, if I wanted to enter here, I'm not in any trade. I would have waited
Yeah,
for this area to retest even after breaking the resistance.
low. It is coming to retest your area. It should not come down all the way. Let's see. Like still, it is just the start. Okay, come on, gold, go up. Okay, so next question is Ali, where are you from? Ali is from USA, and also he's the Pakistani national as well. You know, Pakistani always love to have double nationality. Okay, the next question is is it simple support and resistance? 100%. It is simple support and resistance with some tweaks. Like we do not trade every support and resistance. Trading is secretive. Uh, yeah, I would say yes, sometime. How we read the fundamental, know where the market move. Uh, the way we do it now. Sir, why you asked me for the logic and the trade idea I shared is GC last night? I'm not sure what you're talking about. The same thing actually happens. Okay, I'm not sure what he's talking about. Okay, so this is all the questions. So we have 31 people watching this. Okay, guys, so I'm already in the buy. I took a buy around 24:30, like right at the top of this wave. Yeah. And then I also take some small buy around 24:31. And I'm expecting like price should go up minimum 24:45. This is something I'm doing it right now. So the minimum target of my for the US for the gold is 24.45, and it should happen. But I would like this is going up, it is good, like making money. Yeah, it feels good. So let it go up. Yeah, good, good, go up. And so I have two positions right now. One is okay, my one position is 24.32.26. Okay. And the one position when it retraces down, I get in 24.30.44. And right now, both of the position are running. One is 45 pips profit, and the one is running by 25 pips profit. And let's see how much far it goes. And you see the US30, like it is also going bullish. So yeah, come on, gold. Do not come down now. Go and break above.
It might end up going to 24.45 by tonight. Might.
Yeah, it should go like you see H1. Why I'm saying like here this is H1. So this
Everything is
is quite clean. So for gold to move like this, like I don't see any issue. Like it would be easily test 24. So let's if we talk about the minimum target would be 24.40, like the 100 pips. I would say if somebody catch the 100 pips, but once it reach those levels, you need to close your trade as soon as possible because it may be the reversal as well. Because this all move happened just because of fundamental. Okay, so why it is coming down? Okay, it is retracing. No problem. So now I think they start asking question to Powell and the market is start moving. Let me see what they are asking and what they are saying. Okay, there is no further news. Let me open their voice.
M.A. Coker, where are you?
Yeah, we have the third guy here in our meeting, which is M.A. Coker.
Silent guy. Please unmute yourself.
What should be the SL? Uh, my SL is around 24, 28 as of now. I'm not expecting like price should come down to this level, like here. But my entry was 24.32 and the other entry is 24.30. So yeah, so but let's see how the price gonna move here. I'm expecting like it should go bullish. But let's say if it come down, then I maybe close around 24, 27, 27. Yeah, that would be the good. Not risking more than what I make today. But let's see. Okay. I think sir market goes down. RSI FIBO shows the market at its peak. No problem. If it goes down, I would take the SL. But I'm already in profit with the US30 right now because I get in at this 41,091. And sir, when you share charts idea, can you add sort of like when we should take the trade and we should not? Uh, that is something I'm also not aware when to get in because I wait for the price action to develop, then I get in. Let's say, let's discuss about the last trade which I taken. Where? Gold. Okay. I'm opening the separate chart. So I given you the trade the other day in the gold. Like we need to, yeah, where is the price action? I think this is the area. Yeah, this candle. Like I told you, like to get sell here, and your target is this area. And the same candle first come up and then go down. Let's go to the lower time frame and let me tell you how I get enter. You see this? I enter in the trade at this candle. Yeah, this is the candle where I get in. This was my confirmation candle. Like I am thinking like price first I always like let me tell you the secret. Like whenever price need to go down, they always break the high. They always create a new high. So it breaks the new high, it breaks the high of this candle, and then it comes down, close below this level. And then I was waiting for the next candle to come up. So it come up, so I get in at this candle. So it was not a blind entry. So if there was no rejection there, I may not enter the here. So I cannot share the SL, TP, or the entry price because that is something you need to figure out at your own. Because I'm also not aware what is how the market is gonna behave at that moment. So this is how it's gonna work. So and then I enter here and then all the way down. And that is the trade I shared in the Discord channel. Yeah, where and also the trade I took after that. Yeah, share the result as well. So here you see the price is still dancing, like going up, going down, but I'm pretty much confident like the price will go up. You just need to hold your patience and hopefully we will see the magic. And once it break this at 24.35 above, then I will put my SL at break even and then that's it. Currently it is almost more than 1 hour. Come on, gold, go up. Don't do this. Okay, let me see what they are going to do. Yes, sir. Will you keep sharing our chart ideas? Yes, sir. I will keep sharing my chart ideas on daily and occasionally basis. Definitely. That is why I make the Discord.
All right, guys, I'm heading out. So have a good one and stay safe with the trading.
Yeah, I'm also going offline, just waiting for the price to further go up like 24, 35, 6, 36, 37, and then I will be heading off, like putting my SL on the break even, and that's it. And hoping price go up to 24.45. Yeah.
Yeah, if you
So
guys are in this trade, then you should have your SLs at break even now.
yeah, not now. I'm not putting my SL at now. Like I'm waiting for price. Maybe
Well,
the
what's
next
your
candle.
entry point? Entry
I
price?
entered around 24.30 and the other one is 24.32. So one is 35 pips profit and the other one is 15 pips profit. So yeah, I'm not gonna put right now because it maybe spike down a bit, like 24.30, and then the next candle go up all the way.
Yeah, it's gonna go up sooner or later. So yeah, it's fine not having SL at break even.
Okay, guys. Should I share? I got hack and can predict before news. I'm not sure movie flicks what you're talking about. You got hack. Like if you have a hack, then you should be the millionaire, billionaire. Like what is gonna price behave? Like you can be a magician. When the trend is bullish before they're going vice versa, there is no way. Like if you understand like how the price is gonna behave, like, that's good for you. Like Assalamu alaikum, if the market is going up, where will be the selling zone came from? If the market is going up, then where will be the selling zone? Okay, so if the market is going up, you need to weigh like right now we have the structure in the bullish side. Like here you see. Let's move to the H4 time frame. So in the left side, you see there is no resistance or anything. There is a clean traffic. So the maximum you need to, if you are looking for the buy position, like if the market is going bullish, then you are waiting for the reversal. So you need to wait for the price to reach to the resistance level. A resistance level, like you see this is also the resistance. In the gold, you need to make support and resistance with the help of wicks. This is the support level that turns to be a resistance. And the upper side, you see this is a resistance. And also you need to count the resistance here as a wick. So these are your targets. If you are buying, and your target should be this in the H4 time frame. I normally trade gold on H4 time frame because H4 have the solid uh, visibility in terms of good trades. So yeah, and you need to just wait for the price to reach those levels. But the problem is, especially in the last week, when price there was like when price break like this a level 24, 30, 35, 36, there was no structure in the left side. So even I at that moment I was blind as well, like where the price is gonna stop. So then I have seen, like I already discussed this thing, then I see this sort of candle, like this is a big candle, bearish engulfing candle. So this is something I see, and this is a kind of indication of reversal. And you see, then after that, slow and steady with the help of 3 to 4 candle price come up again, retest this level, and this is a point where you can be enter as a sell, and then all the way down. Seeing CPI maintain pump in a bullish trend, CPI is a very tough to trade. Like I always say that thing, the CPI is the mother of all news. Uh, it hurts me many times, like 2, 3 times. Like my SL got slipped in US30, like more than 100 pips. So uh, it's hard to trade on CPI, honestly. I've shared my views as a reasonable price action. Okay, good. So guys, we are in buy at gold, as I said. I'm just waiting for the price to break above this 24, yeah, this level, 24.36, and then we are going to go offline. You see this? It is breaking and it is coming down again. No way. Come on, gold. Don't do this. So, so the price is breaking above and it create a new high, and I'm expecting now the price should not come down and break his wick. So I am right now putting my SL at the break even. I have two entries, and I think that my internet is getting slow here. Let me change it, refresh it. The price is getting stopped here. Let me change the broker. Okay, here you go. So here's the thing. This is the point where I get enter, and the problem with me is like I want swing trading, like 50 to 80 pips, 90 pips. But if you guys are good with 40, 50 pips, so I would say like 24, 36, 37, once price reach there, it would be the good trade for you. But I am gonna hold my trade, and I'm expecting like the minimum 24.40 and the maximum I'm gonna take like 24.51. Maybe it takes me a day, but it definitely reached there. But yeah, so let's go to H1. It is going well. Like yeah, it will go up, no doubt about it. Let me see one more time. Like let's break this high again one time, 24.36, and that would be the good. So guys, if you have FTMO slippage is crazy. Yes, FTMO slippage is very crazy sometimes, but not all the time. Like, but I would say their conditions, their payout system, rest everything is very good. I trade with them and I have never had an issue with them. Where is your SL? My SL, honestly speaking, as of now, I do not have SL, but I am planning if price will come down. So I may close the trade around 24, 28. Yeah, but it should not come down. Like why you are talking about SL? Talk about take profit. Sir, what is your view about blueberry market? Blueberry market. I work with them. They are good. Blueberry market. I think they are going to make their own firm, Blueberry funded. Yeah. So they are good. Every prop firm which is backed by broker, I would say they are good. And let me see what people is talking about in the Discord. How are you, sir? I'm good. So it is coming down. No problem. So my what I'm going to do is I'm putting my SL right below here. So let me do it here. So my entry is around 24.32. Okay. And I have two entries. Let me tell you, I have two entries. Like I am going to put my SL around 24.28. Yeah. 40 pip SL, 24.28. And I have two entries. Like one is 24.32. Yeah. And the other entry is I have 24.30 when price right at this wick. And I'm going to have the same SL for both of the entries. And I'm targeting like 24.45. If that's work out, it would be good. Otherwise, I have the SL. And yeah, I would say this is all we have for today. It is very late night for me. I give you the SL and my TPs and also my entries as well. If the trade's going well, I will share my result, what is gonna happen. If price get my SL hit, so that's it. No problem. We'll take it. So this is all we have, guys. Hope you enjoy the session. and have a good day. Let me close the session. Okay. Stop sharing and end the meeting. Where I have to end the meeting.